Alright, what's good with y'all, man? So I'm gonna teach y'all how to blend a character into the background. So today's background, I'm using the one from Kakashi versus Obito. Basically Obito is like hideout or whatever. My guy just took Kakashi's render, and basically I'm just gonna show y'all how to blend it. So you're gonna want to go over here and like click this little half circle or whatever, and then you're gonna want to go find curves. Once you find curves, you want to click on this. My mouse is you want to click on that. Then you want to hold Alt, and then you see it right in the middle, right? You want to click it right in the middle, so it's like it's only gonna go onto the character. So once you do that, you want to hold Alt and then click on Auto. Then you want to go to Find Dark and Light Colors, and you want to choose the darkest color. Like it could be right here, it could be right. I'm gonna choose it right here though. You see that? And then you want to choose the lightest color, like basically the highlights. What's like the most brightest color there is. So I clicked over there, press OK, and then you click no, leave midtones alone, you don't need that. And you want to bring you see this graph over here, right? Let me bring it up a little bit. So look, you want to bring this down a little. You see how much better it looks? You want to bring that up just a little bit, make sure everything looks nice. You see, now it looks way better. Now you take it off, it looks real weird. How they put it on, it looks way better. Can I erase it? Alright, so now what I'm gonna show y'all is how to make the background look way better. Telling y'all, look. So I always do is I leave the original background by itself, and I do Control J to duplicate it. Then I go over here to camera raw filter, let it load. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is put contrast up a little bit. I'd probably just leave it at like 15 to 20. In this case I might do 20. Put the highlights up, put the shadows a little bit up, and put blacks down. Then what I do is I either put like texture to like 40, 45, and I put the clarity just a little bit up. So you see, it gives it like, if you click over here, you'll see the before and after. You know what I mean? It just looks way better. It's way more detailed. And then you could put the vibrance a little bit up. For me, I'll just put it at 10. And I do curves. So the thing is with curves, this side you want to always put it down, and this side you always want to put it up. I don't know why, it just looks nice, and that's what I do. You just put it a little bit up, don't put it out too much. And then sharpen it a little bit. I use sharpening like around 50. I put the noise reduction just a little bit up, and the color noise as well, like a 10, 15. That's not bad. You don't want to mess with this. Sometimes you do. Some cases you do want to mess with it. You can mess with this. It's just that I don't want to use it right now. And you can like hold on. You can mess with this a little bit. Just leave it out. Probably do like a plus, yes, +6 right there. That's fine. Press OK and you're done. Look how much better it looks, dude. Add this on. Maybe we can even switch it up. Look. Hold on. My bad, I kind of messed that up. Okay, auto. Okay, yeah, we're good. Put this down. Put this up. Look how much better it looks. This matches the background like crazy. You know what I mean? Like, look at this, I'm gonna show you. That. I'm about to merge them. This is how you merge. You right click, merge. Look at this. This just overall looks way more cleaner, and then obviously you can add on more shit. It just looks way more detailed. What you can do as well, I always blur my backgrounds just a little bit. Not a voice crack, but just a little bit. I always leave it to like a 2. You know, just a 2. Yeah, just a 2. I always leave it 2. And if you have the blur tool, you could like blur it more like around the sides. So what I do, and just leave this kind of like, you know, just like that. And basically what I do is I merge it, and you'll get this little, you'll see this look sometimes on other YouTubers channels. So basically you want to merge it, right? Whenever all you're done, like adding the smoke, adding the, you know, adding everything, you just want to what's it called, you just want to duplicate it. You want to go over here, then you want to go to blur, then you want to go to Radial Blur. And basically this one looks exactly like the Devastator's like thumbnail. I'm pretty sure like he had the same background, same shit. Not the same render though. I noticed that. And it looks like that, right? So now you want to get your eraser tool, put this like, go on a 400, and just start erasing over here. You know, make sure it looks nice. And all you gotta do is just put this down a little bit. Put the opacity down just a little bit. Yeah, I would leave it at a 45. See, it gives that little or you could put it up if you want. In that case, you know what I mean? It just adds a little bit of more stuff to it. You know, make the background not look as dead. You feel me? But yeah, that's basically how you make the character blend in with the background. You feel me? Like, it's basically just with curves. Yeah, just curves. So if you guys did follow that, you know, you'll be all set. You'll be all set now, matching characters with the background. I always wonder that as well. How do these like designers fucking you know, like blend shit to look super good? Look, there you guys have it. It looks way better now. You know, you can add like a little bit of glow behind Kakashi and shit. You know, overall it just looks good. But yeah, peace out.